So now tell me.
Marvin DeGrave is my grandpa on my dad's side, and he taught dad construction. He did construction work.
Did
Yeah, that was his job. Grandpa built the house he has. There was land he was supposed to get, but it ended up getting sold off.
Why did it get sold off?
Because Grandma Linda had, or Grandma, because Donna made they made too big of a house and out of nowhere could sell it. So they had to sell the property to be able to pay the bills. And Grandpa had to work longer because of it. He makes like the wood and scratch packer. He give them all away a lot when we go up there. I had one at one point. I don't know if I still have it. She gave us all one.
You had a what?
A back scratcher made of wood.
Oh.
He did stuff like that. My dad used to make like a horse, rocking horse for kids.
Mm-hmm.
He made me one, but I ended up selling it. I don't know. He made them myself. He can make picnic tables. He made my uncle and Aunt Robin one.
He made the dollhouse for you too, right?
Yeah. It's at Uncle Mike's. I need to get it so it doesn't get any more damage. It probably needs. We did really well detail on it with the ladder and everything.
Mm-hmm.
And then he actually, because most of the Barbie dolls don't fit the Barbies themselves, and I always ask for a Barbie doll, and I kind of guess he was doing it because he took my Barbies, so that's the only thing.
Oh yeah?
He took them downstairs. He was his stuff downstairs in the like with my in the garage area, I guess, at my mom's. Anyway, so I got that for Christmas. That's pretty much that last thing he was able to make before the Huntingtons came. He used to make everything. He put I don't know what it's called right now, but he made so the residents could go under like a shelf or a cover. Anyways, he made it out of wood. Did all the framing by himself. We'd go camping all the time. Actually, that thing is still up. What he made is still there. That program test. So
What's still there?
Like a pavilion.
A what?
Pavilion, you mean?
No, it's still standing?
Yeah.
They just randomly built somewhere?
No, he made it for my mom's work.
Oh, really?
Mhm. I think he made some picnic tables, and he made that just for him to be able to, for them to be able to go outside and not be rained on. I think they asked him to do it. He did
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, he did some other things. At some point, I think he got permission to make a shed outside. I think that's still there. He built his trailer he had, and he built. He made we travel in a truck, and so he made it so we could lay on the top of it and had like a board done under it so we can lay on top of it because this truck line had one seat. Sometimes I'd sit in the middle, but one of us would be in the back. Scott or I traveling to go to my grandpa's to gravesites for Thanksgiving.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, it was a traditional.
How are you feeling today?
Alright. Why are you eating in front of me?
I was hungry.
Mm.
You're the one that decided to have your interview with the world while I was trying to have lunch.
No, it wasn't. You decided that.
I didn't decide anything.
Yeah,
You're the boss around here.
No, you decided it. Yeah, you did.
Okay, maybe in a little bit. Zoom in on your face.
That's because you like that. You're silly.
You having a good day though?
Yeah.
What you doing today?
Sorting your your stuff, your box.
Yeah, the pogs. What are pogs?
The ones I had I used to use for a game. You put the slam them down.
Yeah, with the slammer?
You
You used to get them in cereal boxes and stuff?
No. I don't remember. Maybe.
They used to come in everything.
I don't remember.
You could get them in cereal boxes. You could find
I
them
did have some of the raisin ones you could get from the raisin.
from like Hardee's?
No.
I guess it was Carl's Jr. up there.
No. It was they were in the cereal box. The raisin.
Oh, Raisin Bran.
Yeah. Of course. My dad liked Raisin Bran. I did
Yeah.
too, but we got some of those. At one point, they collected we could collect the points from Mountain Dew and Pepsi. They're his favorite. Eventually, he liked Pepsi a lot, but eventually Mountain Dew became his favorite.
Oh, yeah?
That's all he ever wanted.
And then he would get like a cool hat or something from the catalog?
He could, he got, we were able to get Mom a Pepsi shirt,
Oh, yeah?
and Dad got a hat.
Nice. Nothing cooler than a Mountain Dew hat. Those were the
It's
good old
actually a
days.
Pepsi one.
It's too bad they don't have stuff like that anymore.
No,
With the
Yes.
catalogs and being able to get cool stuff out of them.
that was something you just kept caps and got some many points.
Yeah, my dad did the same thing with beer. Yeah.
Dad didn't drink beer. No.
Mom
Mom or
would,
Dad did never drink beer.
or no, maybe it was cigarettes. Maybe it was cigarettes. Yeah, I think it was cigarettes is the one that you could, he would keep the beer taps and stuff. And put them, take them to the aluminum recycling place.
Yeah, okay.
But, and I think you could do it with beer. I think maybe on the cart there was like a QR, like a barcode.
Yeah.
Maybe you collected those or something.
Okay. I don't know.
Something like that. I don't remember how you did it. You could collect something.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah, those were the good old days.
Now they don't put toys in.
What?
Now they don't put toys in cereal boxes.
No, no toys at all. And McDonald's look like prisons instead of fun places. Everything has become ugly. All of the fun and color in the world has been sucked out of it.
Why?
I don't know.
I used to work at McDonald's.
You did? You used to work at McDonald's? What was that like?
Busy. Sometimes it was hard to keep up with everything
Yeah?
because I worked in the back.
You worked in the back?
I made the food. I need a lot
You made the what?
of patties, and sometimes I would do fries.
Oh, yeah?
Hmm.
You
I
made the
like
French fries at McDonald's?
Yeah, I just put them in the batter, and I need them or nuggets. I just all confuse you sometimes. A car and a shirt. You really need some new shirts.
Well, when we go on our trip, I plan on trying to find some.
Okay.
It's gonna be hard though. They don't make sure it's in my size over there, really. We'll have better luck finding you clothes. Everything will be in your size. No, really. I mean, you're gonna come back with the time clothes.
You sure that blue purple bag's gonna be big enough?
Hopefully, it's gonna be slam packed full.
You're sure?
But we'll try to get it all in there. If not, we can always mail stuff back or get a second bag. We'll just take all of Japan home with us.
You like to live in Japan?
That'd be nice, maybe, but the economy's really shit there. It's even worse than here.
Yeah, well, I can't do any. That's too far away from danger.
Yeah, anyway, it'd be too hard anyways.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe someday though, maybe in like 10, 20 years. But we can visit it for now.
Mm-hmm.
Just go play.
For your 40th birthday?
Mm-hmm. And then for my 41st. And then for my 42nd. I'm just kidding.
That's a
I
lot
can't
of money.
afford that. Yeah. Maybe every 5 years or something.
That'd be cool.
Yeah, that'd be fun. But next we gotta go to Alaska.
Yeah.
That'd be fun.
Mm-hmm. What do you do after Alaska?
You said Africa.
Okay.
That's where you said you wanted to go next. Maybe like South Africa
That'd be
or
cool.
Egypt. Egypt would be cool to see.
Yeah, that would.
You know, I think we could say that we've been to a pretty unique set of places if we've been to Japan and Egypt.
I've been to France.
And you've been to France. Yeah.
In London and the beaches. Can't think.